Hi there, my name is Padraig Horgan, and I took part in this year's STEM Teacher Internship program. As part of my internship, I worked in Astellas Pharma. Astellas is a pharmaceutical production company that manufactures and packages drugs used by patients who've had organ transplants such as Prograf and Advograph. These drugs come in vial and capsule forms and are used to keep patients alive and healthy. They recently started making cancer treatment drugs, and Astellas has 3 locations in Ireland, 2 in Dublin and 1 in Horgan, County Kerry, where I completed my time.
While in Astellas, I was employed in the quality control department as a lab analyst. As a lab analyst, I was tasked with checking the product and packaging before it was sent out to the consumer. These tests varied from testing the drug under certain heat conditions as well as water conditions. I also had to test the packaging. We tested cartons and leaflets to make sure they were legible in the correct language of the country and had the correct dimensions and other specific requirements depending on the country. I also had the other tasks to complete as a lab analyst, such as storing samples of product, batches and retain for us to hold on to, as well as recording data on tested products on our computer software of LIMS. During my time at Astellas, I got to see the many other parts of the organisation, from the business section of things such as sales and supply chain, as well as the legal section. Similarly, I got to see the journey of the product in Astellas, starting from the warehouse where the raw material is brought in, to the production lines where the drugs are created and packaged on a large scale, to the chemistry and microbiology labs where the finished product is tested in numerous ways to make sure that it is assured and correct, and then the finishing all the way back to the warehouse where the product is shipped out to the consumer. From my time at Astellas, I learned how useful technology has become in STEM enterprises, from the software we use for recording data, which made it easier for us to locate and approve batches, to the production and warehouse where robots were used to aid in efficiency and speed. I also learned about how Astellas isn't only at the forefront of using technology to help improve their production, but also they are very focused on being environmentally friendly. Being such a large organisation, Astellas uses a lot of energy, but a substantial amount of it comes from their on-site wind turbine and wood chip boiler. These innovations and move towards green energy has helped drastically reduce their carbon footprint.
I really enjoyed my time at Astellas. I would like to thank them for allowing me to do my internship with them, and for DCU's STEM Teacher Internship program allowing me the opportunity. After completing this program, I have found numerous ways in which STEM subjects can be related to real life, and more specifically my own subject of mathematics. After doing this, I've now found numerous ways and applications for maths topics outside the classroom, such as nets of shapes, random data sampling, and much more. Hopefully I'll be able to bring these concepts back to the maths classroom in a fun, interactive and exciting way.